This video will be about muscular fitness and endurance test by Ernesto Lujan. To demonstrate muscular fitness, the 1 rep max, otherwise known as 1RM, will be applied for bench press. The 1RM in weight training is a maximum amount of force that can be generated in one maximal contraction through the full range of motion in a controlled manner with good posture. It has been the standard for dynamic strength and a reliable indicator for muscular strength. It is important to warm up for 5 to 10 minutes of low intensity aerobic exercise before attempting the 1RM bench press strength test. Benching the right way and pressing as much weight as you can safely is all about position. More specifically, position of the feet, hips, chest, shoulders, and upper back. Once the client has finished the warm-up, it is now time to perform a specific warm-up that mimics the biomechanical movements of performing a bench press. This will be conducted by performing several repetitions with a light load. The client will select initial weight that is within 50 to 70% of their perceived capacity. To determine a 1RM or multiple 1RM, the client will perform 4 trials with rest periods of 3 to 5 minutes between each trial. Spotters stand behind the lifter on an elevated step. The spotter might want to ask him or her first if they need a liftoff, which is an assist lifting the bar off the rack before the first rep begins. Resistance is progressively increased by 2.5 to 20 kilograms or 5.5 to 44 pounds until the subject cannot complete the selected repetition. All repetitions should be performed at the same speed of movement and range of motion to instill consistency between trials. Attempted lift is successful. Now there is going to be increased resistance. The 1RM is recorded as the heaviest weight lifted successfully through the full range of motion with proper technique. The client's weight is 79.4 kilograms. The weight pushed for 1 rep max is 124.7 kilograms. In order to obtain the client's strength to weight ratio, we're going to divide 124.7 kilograms divided by 79.4 kilograms, which gives us 1.57. The classification for this individual is excellent. The client's predicted 1RM is weight lifted divided by 1.0278 minus 0.0278 times x, where x is the number of reps performed. By plugging in the values of the predicted 1RM, the outcome is going to be 303 pounds. Reps to fatigue relates to anaerobic endurance to a person's ability to perform successive muscular contractions with a heavy, near maximal load for a relatively short period of time, typically 2 minutes. The objective is to have the participant successfully complete as many repetitions with a submaximal weight as possible. Reps to fatigue is intended for sedentary, adolescents, and older populations. 2 to 10 repetitions is a target range. This section is about muscular endurance. A 5 to 10 minute dynamic warm-up is conducted in order to proceed with the push-up test. Begin the test when the client is ready. Stop the test when the client strains forcibly or is unable to maintain the appropriate exercise technique within 2 repetitions. The push-up test usually is administered with men starting in a standard down position, hands pointing forward and under the shoulder, back straight and head up, using the toes as a pivotal point. Subject must raise the body by straining the elbows and return to the down position until the chin touches the mat. The stomach should not touch the mat. The client conducted a total of 81 push-ups, which is classified as excellent according to the ACSM's guidelines for exercise testing and prescription. The modified knee push-up position is often used, with legs together, lower leg in contact with the mat, ankles plantar flexed, back straight, hands shoulder width apart, and head up, using the knees as a pivotal point. Subject must raise the body by straining the elbows and to return to the down position until the chin touches the mat. The stomach should not touch the mat. For both men and women, the subject's back must be straight at all times and the subject must push down to a straight arm position. The maximal number of push-ups performed consecutively without rest is counted as a score. These are the references that were used to conduct this video. Thank you for watching.